Good evening, Shelly fans. As you see, until now for the last few years we built a lot of devices for everything, for lighting, for power monitoring, to control your houses and to manage the environment around you. But now, tonight we have a bunch of new devices. Some of them is related to the Pro series, which extend their features. You will see there is a LoRa add-on, there is a sensor add-on for the Pro series, for which many of you is asking before, but also there is a complete new devices which will fulfill our line with more interesting opportunities and for you to automate your appliances. Stay tuned. Now our product owners will start the presentation and we will show you everything what we built. And something very important, there is also we also extend the line for the connected protection, and you will see, I hope, I'm sure that you will be satisfied with what we do for the last few months. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I'm Miroslav. I'm a product owner with Shelly. Let's look at a major step up for home safety, the Shelly EM Gen4. We all know how much damage a leak can cause, but the real problem is that the majority of spot sensors aren't sensitive enough to catch a leak until it's already a disaster. The Shelly EM Gen4 fixes this with a unique feature. Look at it. These are large surface stainless steel pads. If you have used similar sensors before, you will see that most of them use tiny pins that need a puddle to form before they react. And these pads are different. They provide best-in-class spot detection. They're so sensitive that they can even detect clean or low conductivity water, like distilled water or condensate from your AC, which other sensors might completely ignore. With this device, those hidden leaks won't be a mystery anymore. Let me show you how this works. Okay, I'm going to turn it up and I'm going to put my finger in the glass of water, just a tiny bit, and I'm going to touch one of the pads. Look, I just touched one of the pads with my finger that I tapped into the glass and it detected immediately. I also got the notification on my phone that there is a problem. I'm going to check it out. And here it is, it detects flood. Okay, now I'm just going to remove my finger and clean the pads with a paper napkin. And that's it, it stopped buzzing. It's very precise in detecting water and very easy to dry up when the flood has ended. That's pretty cool, right? And we also built it to be tough. It has an IP67 rating, which means it's waterproof. Even if it ends up completely underwater during a flood, it will still continue to work. And we've made it very tiny and slim. It's just 24mm tall. It's designed to lie flat like this and slide into the tightest spots, like under your dishwasher, washing machine, or behind the toilet. You can put it everywhere. It's extremely durable and extremely precise. And the software inside is just as smart. We took all the great features we've already shipped with the Shelly EM Gen4, like for example, for both flood and rain modes. And remember, in rain mode, you can set it to trigger smart scenes like closing your windows or pausing your sprinklers without actually sounding the alarm, because you don't need it. Or if in flood mode, and if you detect a leak, you can add an automation to shut off your main water line the second it feels moisture. And this time in flood mode, the alarm will ring. And for immediate local feedback, the device includes a built-in buzzer. You already heard it. That alerts you the moment a leak is detected while you're in flood mode. The timing of how that buzzer behaves is set the same way as with the EM Gen4. We have 3 alarm profiles: intense, normal, or economic. So you can decide the best balance between urgency and saving battery life. And to make things even easier, the Shelly EM Gen4 comes ready to go right out of the box. It uses a CR123A battery and we've included it into the set, so you can start protecting your home immediately. Let's have a look inside. So this is how it looks. When you first get it, the battery will be disconnected with the battery tab, which you have to remove, and it starts working. I can wake it up to show that it also has an LED which is precisely set to be visible from the outside, like this. And finally, as a member of the Gen 4 family, it also fits into any smart home perfectly. It's Matter over Wi-Fi certified and comes with Wi-Fi, Zigbee and Bluetooth connectivity. So whether you're protecting your kitchen or automating your garden or patio for rain, the Shelly EM Gen4 makes sure even a small drip never turns into a big mess. And finally, have a look at the unique stainless steel pads once more. It's something we invented and that we are putting on the market for the first time. And these are super precise. They need a very small amount of water to be activated. And they are so sensitive that they can detect even clean or low conductivity water. This is a unique piece on the market. You have to definitely try it. And that was the Shelly EM Gen4. And now let's move forward. Let's see what else we've got for you.
Hello everyone, I'm Atanas and today I'm happy to present to you the Shelly EM Gen3. You'll notice right away that this device has a larger enclosure than our Plug-S Gen3. This change wasn't just aesthetic. It allowed us to completely redesign the internals and optimize the hardware for higher rating. The Plug-M Gen3 is now rated at 13 amps, allowing you to power devices up to 3000 watts. This means you can now safely automate your portable heaters, washing machines, irons, and other hydro appliances with total peace of mind. In fact, we have inherited all the safety features of our best-selling Plug-S and improved them. You get the same overheating, overvoltage, overpower, and overcurrent protections, but now at higher 13 amps capacity. What's truly impressive is that this new design allowed us to offer an incredible value proposition. And don't let the budget-friendly price fool you. It's packed with tech. The Plug-M Gen3 is fully Matter 1.3 compatible, bringing seamless integration into your preferred ecosystem, whether that's Apple Home, Google Home, SmartThings, Home Assistant, or Homey. Plus, if your hub supports Matter 1.3 or above, you can track your power consumption directly in your favorite app. But we didn't stop at Matter. For those who want more control, the Plug-M supports advanced scripting, schedules, scenes, and local actions, giving you all the flexibility that you need. It even works harder for your network by acting as a Wi-Fi range extender and a Bluetooth gateway, strengthening the connectivity of your entire smart home. To make this the best offer on the market, we aren't just launching a single pack. The Plug-M Gen3 is available in double packs and 4 packs, making it perfect solution for those looking to smarten up their entire home at the best possible price. The Shelly Plug-M Gen3, more power, more safety, and the best value on the market. And now, on to the next product.
Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce you the next generation of one of our very well-known products. My name is Dimitrov, product owner at Shelly, and we will talk about the Shelly EM Gen4, keeping the same compact size as before but delivering more capabilities. Shelly EM Gen4 is a compact size energy meter designed for installation in confined spaces, measures electricity consumptions in real time. It allows user not only to monitor energy usage but also to automate and to optimize it. What makes this generation especially important are the new capabilities. The device now supports multiple connectivity standards, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and Zigbee and Matter, allowing easily integration into almost any smart homes. Another key improvement is the extended measurement range. Shelly EM Gen4 works with current transformers of 50-80 and now up to 120 ampere clamps, enabling use in large homes, workshops, and small commercial installations. The device is built with new, more powerful chip, 60MB flash memory, providing faster response and reliable automation. Last but not least, for monitoring and diagnostic, the device stores up to 30 days of 1-minute energy data locally, so history remains available even without cloud connection. Shelly EM Gen4 features 2 measurement channels, allowing monitoring of 2 circuits or tracking grid consumption. It also includes a dry contact relay output that can control a contactor and automatically switch loads such as water heaters, HVAC systems, or EV chargers based on energy usage or available solar power. Support for professional protocols including MQTT, WebSocket, RPC, HTTP, and HTTPS, allowing integration into smart homes as well as buildings management and energy monitoring systems. To summarize, Shelly EM Gen4 combines compact size with powerful functionality, advanced connectivity, support for up to 120 ampere measurement, automation control, and reliable local data logging, turning simple monitoring into real energy management. Shelly EM Gen4 help users not only see their energy consumptions, but actively control and optimize it. This was the Shelly EM Gen4, and now on to the next product.
Hi again, I'm thrilled to present to you a very interesting new device. This is the Shelly Plug-C Gen4. C comes from cable installation. This is the first device of its kind, a smart plug designed to replace your existing standard plug and make your old devices smart. It has a rating of 14 amps, 3.2 kilowatts, making it perfect solution for lamps, small electric heaters, irons, washing machines, and other devices. The Plug-C brings to your old appliance Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and Matter capabilities. It has remote switching, real-time power and energy monitoring, and multi-color LED status indication. On top of that, you get over voltage, over current, over power, and over temperature protection. Like our other plugs, it supports scripting, schedules, local actions, and works as a Wi-Fi range extender, Bluetooth gateway, and also as a Zigbee router, making your home network more robust. One of the great benefits of this device is its compact design, allowing it to be plugged into wall sockets in tight spaces behind furniture and other appliances. No more forgotten heaters, no more worries if I have switched off the iron. Talking about an iron, let's see how easy it is to install the new Plug-C Gen4 on your appliance. First, measure your cable and cut the provided rubber sleeve to the correct size. I have cut the cord and installed bootlace ferrules on each of the cables. Also, I have put the rubber part on the cord. Now, we need to disassemble the Plug-C by unscrewing the screws on the both sides. Now you can remove the top cover. You can see you have 3 terminals for live, neutral and ground. Now you take the top cover and unscrew the clamp that is used for securing the power cord. Next step is to put the cable into the top cover. And now you screw again the clamp. You can screw it, but don't tighten it yet. Now, when you have placed the cord, you can insert the cables into the terminals. Now, you unscrew a little bit and adjust the cable to the desired position. When you have placed the cable, you can tighten the screws inside. Now you can just close the device and tighten the screws on the outside. And the last part is to put the rubber part on the shell. I really like this new device because it gives me the flexibility to use my old, well-working devices and introduce them into my smart home. And now, for all of you who need the power monitoring functionality for devices that you don't need to be switched off, like freezers, fridges and air conditioners, we are releasing the Plug CPM for cable without a relay. It is rated at even higher 16 amps and 3680 watts. You can now track the consumption of your devices and spot any differences in their efficiency, making it easy to spot a possible failure. These were the Shelly Plug C and CPM Gen4. And now, on to the next devices.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria and I'm a product owner at Shelly. I'm very excited to present you our new accessory for Shelly Wall Display X2i, the Shelly 2-output power base for wall display. It is a compact and efficient power attachment designed for Shelly wall displays from the i series. It enables the switching and control of two independent electrical load circuits, making it an ideal solution for modern smart lighting installations. Fully compatible with the Shelly Wall Display X2i, the device connects seamlessly to the existing Shelly ecosystem while maintaining a clean and minimal setup. Designed as a back-mounted power supply attachment, the Shelly 2-output power base integrates two relays for reliable light control without the need for additional external modules. Its space-efficient form factor allows installers to fit a Shelly i-series wall display together with dual relay functionality inside standard electrical wall boxes typically used for light switches. This simplifies installation, reduces wiring complexity, and preserves a sleek wall appearance. In practical use, the device enables remote control and automation of up to 2 lighting circuits from a single wall display. It is well suited for environments that require separate control of multiple lighting zones, such as main and ambient lighting, while supporting scheduling and smart automation through the Shelly platform. Overall, the Shelly 2-output power base for wall display delivers an elegant combination of functionality, flexibility, and compact design, enhancing smart lighting control without compromising installation space or aesthetics. And now, let's see how simple and easy it is to replace a dual wall switch with the Shelly 2-output power base. Don't forget that the installation of the device to the power grid must be performed carefully by a qualified electrician. Here we have a Shelly Wall Display X2i mounted on the 1-output power base that comes with the device. The attached light can be controlled both from the display and the physical switch. On the other side, there is a dual switch that controls 2 lights. Before installing the device, turn the circuit breakers off. Use a suitable test device to make sure there is no voltage on the wires you want to connect. Now I will turn off the power of our demo installation and we'll continue with removing the wall switch. And now let's attach the power base. Connect the wires to the corresponding terminals. Light wire to the L terminal, neutral wire to the N terminal, and the two load wires to the corresponding O1 and O2 terminals. Now let's attach the power base to the wall box. Carefully remove the display from the one output power base. And attach it to the two output power base. Now turn on the power. Now you can see that there are two relays and each of them is controlling a separate circuit. This was two output power base for wall display from the I series. Thank you for watching, and let's continue with the next device.
Hello everyone, I'm very excited to show you the upgraded version of the LOQED Touch Smart Lock. It's now faster, smoother and more responsive than ever before. We've built a significant faster motor. The lock now unlocks in just 2 seconds, which is more than twice fast as the previous model. To put in perspective, 2 seconds is much faster than it takes to pull out your keys out of your pocket. So the door is ready to open when you reach your doorstep without waiting. And that makes a real difference in everyday life. Imagine coming home with hands full of groceries or carrying a sleeping child in your arms. You simply touch the lock, which is already detected your phone and knows you have arrived, so you can enter immediately. Or even better, if it's raining, you won't be standing in the rain outside in the cold, waiting for a lock to catch up. So this really is a huge improvement in everyday life convenience. And don't worry, this upgrade keeps all the features of the previous version. If you are familiar with the LOQED Smart Touch Lock, you already know that it's a fully keyless smart lock that fits European doors with Euro profile cylinder. It connects via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and gives several ways to unlock your door. With a touch, it recognizes you through the Bluetooth geofencing. Open your door with a simple touch. With a pin, which is perfect for kids and family members or friends. You can also unlock and unlock it remotely to the smartphone app, or for example like LOQED or Shelly app. From the LOQED app, you can also share the temporary digital keys, set schedules, access times, which makes it very convenient for deliveries, cleaning services or holiday rentals. The new version also keeps all the other great advantages. The lock ensures maximum security. It's certified to the highest European standards, including the SKG 3-star, which gives you confidence that your home is well protected. The lock operates quietly and smoothly, with a weather-resistant display built to perform reliably outdoors. We also offer the locked power kit, which includes 8 rechargeable batteries and a charger, so you never have to worry about replacing batteries again. The lock works with the most popular smart home systems such as Home Assistant, Google Home and Alexa. The lock is also integrated with a Shelly Smart Control app, and that's great news for Shelly users. You can now connect lock, touch smart lock with the Shelly switches, sensors or plugs, and set up automation routines to make your home not just more secure but smarter, more connected than ever, all from within the Shelly app. It's available in black and stainless steel, combining strength, style, minimalistic modern design that complements modern doors and home interiors. With this upgraded version, you're not only getting the trusted locked security smart home integration, but also a big leap in performance within the 2 seconds lock and unlock time. No waiting, just smooth, instant and secure experience every single time. The lock, touch, smart lock and the power kit are available to purchase at shelly.com. Thank you and bye.
Hello, my name is Boris and I'm head of Shelly X. Today I want to show you the newest powered by Shelly device, the LightSolutions Hilux DS8. This is a premium smart downlight with Scandinavian design and a clear focus on light quality. A lot of smart lights focus on connectivity and features, but compromise on how the light actually looks. The DS8 doesn't. It delivers a professional-grade illumination with a CRI above 95 over a wide range of color temperatures. This means accurate color rendering, natural skin tones, realistic materials, and artwork that looks the way it should. Set it to 2200K for a warm evening environment, or push it all the way up to 6000K for tasks and focus. If you care about how the space actually feels, this matters. The 360-degree tilt mechanism allows you to direct the beam exactly when you need it, off the counter, the table, the wall feature, or even outside. It is suitable for kitchens, living rooms, offices, and commercial interiors, and it's available in black and also white. The DS8 is rated at IP44 and is designed for 50,000 hours of operation. This translates to more than 20 years of typical residential use. As any other Shelly, you don't need a special hub to use this device. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi network. You can control it over the Shelly app, you can integrate it with Alexa, with Google Assistant, Home Assistant. Basically, if your system supports Shelly devices, integration should be straightforward. You can also pair it with the Shelly Blue devices, and this gives you the physical control without relying on Wi-Fi connectivity. Let me share some technical details that you might find interesting. This device uses up to 8 watts of peak power. It produces 600 lumens at 6000K and 360 lumens at 2200K. That's enough for most lighting installations, tasks, and layered setups. It is rated at IP44, which means that you can use it even outside in a covered installation. The die-cast aluminum housing ensures the proper thermal management, and the installation cutout should be between 68 and 83 millimeters. So, if you're looking for a downlight that combines the high color accuracy, the full tunable control, and the native smart integration, the LightSolutions Hilux DS8 is a solid option.
Hi again! I would like to introduce the new Shelly Smart MCBs, an entirely new device category that combines advanced circuit protection with smart connectivity in an ultra-compact design. Engineered in a space-saving 1M4 factor, these DIN-rail mountable devices are perfectly suited for modern electrical panels where efficiency and performance go hand in hand. Shelly Smart MCBs are available with B and C tripping characteristics, ensuring reliable protection for a wide range of residential and commercial applications. Designed in a 1P+N configuration, they provide enhanced safety and compliance, while the rated current range from 6 amps to 25 amps offers flexibility to cover lighting circuits, socket outlets, and dedicated loads. Beyond traditional protection, Shelly Smart MCBs integrate advanced smart capabilities with flexible connectivity options. The devices are available in two communication variants: Shelly Wave MCBs with Z-Wave connectivity or Shelly Blue MCBs ZB with Bluetooth and Zigbee connectivity. The Bluetooth and Zigbee variant enables easy commissioning and smooth integration into Zigbee networks. The Z-Wave version provides reliable and secure communication with the added benefit of long-range wireless coverage, making it well-suited for larger homes and buildings where stable connections over greater distances are required. This allows installers and system integrators to select the version that best fits the specific smart home or building automation ecosystem. Each device features bidirectional energy metering, enable precise monitoring of both consumption and generated energy. This makes them ideal for applications involving renewable energy sources, load balancing, and detailed energy analytics. In addition, a remote off control allows users to disconnect circuits instantly from anywhere, enhancing safety, convenience, and energy management. Shelly Smart MCBs redefined what a miniature circuit breaker can do, combining certified electrical protection, real-time energy intelligence, and reliable wireless connectivity in one compact DIN-rail mounted solution. They are the small choice for the next generation electrical installations. To monitor the Shelly Blue MCBs ZB readings, pair it with any Shelly device from Plus, Gen 3, Gen 4 or Pro series that has the BOE gateway capability. To control the device, change the protections values or remote turn off, pair the Shelly Blue MCB ZB device with Shelly Blue Gateway Gen 3. Just look how fast and simple it is. Open the embedded web page of the Shelly Gateway Gen 3. Click the Add Device button. Select Shelly Blue MCB and then Start. Now press 4 times the System button. The device system LED becomes blinking in blue, meaning that the pairing is in progress. When the device is paired, the system LED will be solid blue. Now you can see the readings here. You can change the protections values, or you can remotely turn off the device. Note that when the device was remote turned off, either from the off command or due to some protection, the lever goes to the middle position. To turn again on, move the lever to the lowest position and then turn it back on. We will now add or pair the Wave MCB to the Z-Wave controller. In this case, we are using the IQ Panel 4. To include the device, we will use Smart Start. This is the easiest method and it is also required when adding a Z-Wave long-range device. As shown in the video, the first step is to scan the QR code. This adds the device to the Smart Start list. Once the device information is saved, we simply power on the device. After it is powered on, the device will be automatically connected to the controller. When the device interview is complete, the device is fully added and ready to be used. We can now see the power measurements. If we send an off command, the device can be turned off remotely. Please note, to enable this function, a configuration parameter must be set. These were the Shelly Smart Miniature Circuit Breakers with either Z-Wave or Bluetooth and Zigbee connectivity. Let's see what else we have prepared for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Miroslav, a product owner with Shelly. And let's continue with a long-awaited device, the Shelly Pro Sensor add-on. With the Pro Sensor add-on, we are giving the Shelly Pro series a direct way to read data from the field to empower even more complex automations. So the Shelly Pro Sensor add-on is a galvanically isolated module that snaps directly onto your Pro device like this. And as always, you fixate it with the provided bracket. Okay, easy, right? The Shelly Pro Sensor add-on expands the Pro's capabilities with diverse physical interfaces, enabling you to ingest real-time signals and trigger automated actions based on the actual state of your environment. To make this happen, we give you a lot of interfaces. You have two analog inputs at 10 volts, two digital inputs of -15 to 15 volts, one dry contact via solid-state relay, two one-wire data interfaces. And that's not all. You also get two ground terminals, one VREF at 10 volts, one VREF plus 10K, and one VCC at 3.3 volts. All these terminals and interfaces allow you to power and read your sensors directly from the cabinet without needing external power supplies. It makes things so much easier. And with this hardware foundation in place, the scope of what you can actually monitor and control becomes nearly limitless. Think about it. For example, you can connect up to 10 DS18 B20 temperature sensors, 5 per one wire interface, up to 2 DHT22 sensors. You can also connect photoresistors, PIR sensors, soil moisture sensors, proximity sensors, contact sensors, and many others. This is not an exhaustive list. And with this, the automation possibilities are extensive. By wiring sensors directly to the Pro Sensor add-on, you create stable set and forget system. No battery management. And to give you some ideas, here are some of the use cases that came to us from our early users. Some of them use it for water management, monitoring dam water levels using analog input of the Pro Sensor add-on, or do a PV surge protection. The system monitors the state of a surge protection unit via its dry contact output. Or you can monitor equipment and ambient temperature for early overheating detection, while a contact sensor tracks cabinet or main door openings in order to improve safety and access control. And if you think about it, I told you about 3 use cases. And actually you can do all of these use cases simultaneously with a single Pro Sensor add-on, all from your DIN rail. Now, Orlin from the Shelly Integrations team is going to show you how these use cases operate in practice.
Hello, I'm Orlin from Shelly Integrations team, and this is our demo setup. When we talk about sensor add-on, it always needs a host device. In this case, we use Shelly Pro 1 PM as a host device, analog voltage input, which is simulated with this potentiometer, environmental measurement with DHT22. It acts like humidity and temperature measurement for the environment where the cabinet is living. External temperature measurements for this particular cabinet, which is the most important use case in our demo. This is the surge protection. When you pull the surge protection, the alarm output will be activated. And in this particular use case, we're talking about when the light strikes the protection, the alarm is activated for the personal informative signal because there's a problem with the cabinet, and everyone who is interested in this problem in the control room, for example, they will see this alarm, and everybody who is interested in this alarm will receive this alarm signal. When we talk about measuring different values, one of the most important is the analog. Our Sensor Pro add-on is enabled via its analog input. With this potentiometer, we're simulating voltage changes, and these voltage changes can come from different sensors, like for example, level of water, distance between different physical objects, and the Sensor Pro add-on will measure it. And this information can be used in scenes or automations. When something happens in the physical world represented by the voltage, a scene can act and switch relays or other analog values. This is how a Sensor Pro add-on gives value to your solutions.
That was great, right? I hope you're as excited as I am. I'm Miroslav, and this is the Shelly Pro Sensor add-on that lets you move your monitoring entirely to the DIN rail. Now let's move forward with the next one. Hi, welcome back. Let's tackle the challenge of distance and hard to reach spaces. If you've ever had a project where Wi-Fi or Bluetooth just can't reach, this is for you. This is the Shelly Pro LoRa add-on. As the name suggests, this is the Pro Series version of the LoRa add-on. And if you've used already the LoRa add-on, you more or less have the same experience on the back end. But the Shelly Pro LoRa add-on is built specifically for the professional cabinet. It's a DIN rail mountable and snaps directly onto the side of your Shelly Pro device, like this. This gives your Pro device a new way to communicate. By using LoRa technology, you're pushing your control range up to 5 kilometers. But it's not just about open field distance, it's about reliability where other technologies fail. The Shelly Pro LoRa add-on is the perfect solution for environments full of obstacles. Think about underground parking garages, like deep basements, or thick industrial walls where traditional signals just can't penetrate. But not only this, there is a pro advantage. And the pro advantage is the detachable antenna. It attaches to the device via an SMA connector, which means you can detach the antenna. And what this means in practice is that you are not confined to the physical location of your Pro host device. So if your Shelly is tucked away inside a thick metal electrical cabinet, you can simply use an extension cable to mount the antenna outside or swap it for a higher gain version. Like this, for example. You can attach it to the Shelly Pro LoRa add-on and put it on top of the cabinet. So you have connectivity even in the most shielded environments. Okay, getting back the antenna. And don't worry about compatibility. The Shelly Pro LoRa add-on and the LoRa add-on can communicate with each other. On the back end, from user experience perspective, you're going to have the same experience. If you've used one of them, you can use both of them. On release, the Shelly Pro LoRa add-on will arrive with support for EU 868 frequency. And a reminder on this, we are using LoRa, not LoRaWAN. And what this means for you as a Shelly user is that with the Shelly Pro LoRa add-on, there are no complex gateways to configure and no monthly subscriptions. Just your Shelly devices talking directly to each other across big distances. So in a nutshell, whether you're managing a sprawling agricultural site, streetlights, PVs, or an underground facility, the Shelly Pro LoRa add-on ensures that you're in range. This is the ultimate bridge for your most challenging use cases. And now, let's move forward.
Hello there, I'm Andrei from ShellyX, and today we're taking a sneak peek at the latest addition to the Powered by Shelly portfolio, introducing the RAEX automated curtain system, featuring an automated extendable track and a drive motor powered by Shelly, making it an ideal solution for making your curtain system smart in no time, with what I believe is one of the simplest installation processes on the market today. So, what do you get? An automated extendable curtain track that arrives pre-assembled and ready to install. It ranges from 2.4 meters to 4 meters, which gives you a great flexibility depending on your windows sizes. But the heart of the system is the MP46 driving motor, which has been powered by Shelly. What truly sets this system from other similar systems is its simplicity, reliability, and performance. Installation is refreshingly straightforward. First, you measure your windows. Second, you need to attach the rail to the ceiling. And Once you're done, you need to connect the motor to the rail. Unlike any other solutions on the market, our partners from RAEX do not offer a DIY solutions on the rail. Everything comes pre-assembled and ready to use. All the accessories that you need to mount this to your ceiling are already included into the package. So there won't be any wondering, do I have a part or do I not have it? Everything comes ready to use and you simply need to install it. Once the rail is installed, mounting the motor, as I said, is relatively easy. You just insert it into that and you snap it. Since the motor and the rail usually gets installed on the ceiling, the motor ships with open wires, allowing the user to adjust the extra cable length per his requirements. Once powered on, the device can be added to the Shelly Smart Control app in seconds using the standard inclusion process. Inside the app, a control slider shows the curtain position in real time, alongside quick actions for your preferred positions. What I like is that you can create a multiple favorite presets, perfect for different moments throughout the day. But one of the biggest advantages of this device is the native Matter support, available right out of the box, enabling seamless integration with your preferred smart home platform from day one. And for our advanced users, the device also supports Shelly scripting, unlocking powerful automation possibilities beyond the standard features. However, if you prefer simplicity, you can use the built-in schedules to allow your curtains to adjust automatically throughout the day. And when it comes to control, flexibility is built in. Operate the system remotely with devices like the Shelly Blue Remote or RC Button 4. There is no need for dedicated remote for this device. And for those who prefer a wired solution, physical switch can be connected directly to the motor via the RJ9 port onto the device. And this was the RAEX automated curtain system, powered by Shelly. Simple to install, precise in movement, designed for the modern smart home.
This is everything for today. And as you've seen, we're going also in the new directions. The first worldwide MCB breaker with a built-in power monitoring and states monitoring. We believe that this is the future for every smart home and every smart building. And also our add-ons for the Pro devices, many of you asking about them for a very long time. LoRa add-on, which extends the coverage to 5 kilometers to communicate between the devices, and also the sensor add-on, which give you opportunity to monitoring not only power but also many other states and environment around the devices. And on top of that, this is the new one, the new devices which will help you to automate almost every appliances in your houses. Stay tuned. Part of the devices already released, part of them soon will be on the market, and I hope soon we will have a new surprises and new smart devices which we can add to your houses. Thank you.